My name is Alex, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. As of today, I'm going to be starting a brand new series on my YouTube channel called Trending Self Haircuts. In this series, I'm going to be showcasing many popular public figures throughout the world. These could be actors or athletes or anybody that's big in the world right now, inspiring others through their hard work and talent. And without any further ado, let me show you guys my take on the 2020 Luka Doncic haircut. Here is the before 360 of my hair. It's been about 2 weeks since my last self haircut, and I wanted to do something brand new for this one. For anybody wondering, the hair by my fringe before the haircut was about 3 inches in length. I'm going to be starting off with the no guard lever closed for my initial guideline. Luka Doncic is currently rocking a drop fade with about 1.5 inches of hair on top, with the fringe being around 2 inches long for the 2020 NBA playoffs. I was watching him play after scoring a game-winning 3, and his haircut looked really fresh, so I figured I would try to cut my hair just like he has it. But in this video, I'm gonna do less voiceovers than usual. Reason being is I really like the beat that I used. I think it's real smooth, and I want everyone to enjoy the self haircut without me having to interrupt your experience. So enjoy the cut, and let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Alright you guys, so I just finished taking a shower and styling up my hair, making it look nice using Shavu's Ocean Clay. If you guys want 15% off, I have a discount code for you in the description. So let me show you guys a 360 view of my haircut, and you guys can let me know what you think and if it looks anything like Luka Doncic's haircut. I think it looks pretty good. Luka Doncic definitely reps that drop fade with about 1.5 inches of hair all over the top, and he has that kind of oval shape from the front to the back, and I think I did that pretty well. The only thing that was kind of different between my haircut and his haircut with the 2020 playoffs is that he has a lot more hair towards the back of his head, and so I kind of have a little bit less, but I did what I could with what I have. But overall, I think it came out pretty well. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you guys are interested in learning how to cut your hair like myself and give yourself professional self haircuts, save hundreds of dollars every single year, give yourself very nice fades, cut your hair using thinning shears and scissors on the top of your head as well, go over the mirror positioning, the body positioning, all of that good stuff for the cost of only 2 to 4 haircuts is covered in my self haircut course, which will be linked at the top of the description. If you guys like this haircut and you want to see more trending self haircut videos, please smash that like button. And if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys please click on that subscribe button down below and click on the post notifications right next to it so you guys can never miss a new video. Thank you all so much for watching, but I'll catch you next time. Peace!